You are typing a high-stakes professional email, and suddenly you pause. You realize you don't know which version of a specific word to use, and guessing wrong makes you look unprofessional. We can eliminate the top 5 most embarrassing English errors from your drafts by running them through a strict 5-point proofreading checklist. To follow along, you need 2 things: an active email draft and a blank sticky note to capture a few visual memory tricks we are about to build. Applying this checklist turns anxiety-inducing writing into confident communication. Instead of passively hoping your grammar is correct, you are actively verifying it. Step 1 checks the difference between advice and advise. You need to identify if the word functions as a thing, a noun, or an action, a verb. Advice with a C is a noun, a received recommendation. Advise with an S is a verb, the action of giving it. In our draft, the writer asks for an action. Reswap the C for an S, changing it to the verb advise. Step 2 targets lose versus loose. This error happens daily because writers confuse misplacing an item with describing physical size. Loose, with 2 O's, describes something not tight. It has extra room, hence the extra O. Lose, with 1 O, means misplacing something. The draft shows failing to keep a client, not clothing. We remove the excess letter, correcting it to lose. Locking down noun and verb distinctions and visualizing physical letter space clears these first 2 common traps from your writing. Step 3 addresses affect versus effect. This is the most frequent confusion point in English grammar. Write down raven. Affect is a verb, effect is a noun. Affect influences something, effect is the result. The draft refers to a result, a noun. Following raven, we replace the verb with the effect noun form. Step 4 untangles the 3-way phonetic confusion between there, and there. There, with an I, indicates ownership. There, with an apostrophe, is exactly what it looks like, a contraction of they are. The third variation, there, with an RE, refers to a place. You can verify this because the word here is hidden inside it. Our draft instructs someone to look at a location. We swap the ownership spelling for the locational spelling. Using acronyms and embedded words removes the need for grammatical guessing, securing your sentences even under tight deadlines. The final checklist item, Step 5, handles the chronological versus comparative clash of then and than. Then with an E dictates when something happened, since then and time share the letter E. Than with an A is for comparisons, as than and compare share the letter A. Our draft compares 2 speeds, so we replace the E with an A. Mapping vowels directly to their core functions gives you flawless automatic execution of this final proofreading step. Running your text through these 5 steps yields a clean, error-free, professional email. Take the sticky note where you wrote down raven and the letter matching tricks and attach it to your monitor. Use it for all your future writing tasks. Now prove your mastery. Go to the comment section and write an original sentence using the correct noun form of advice with a C. Internalizing these 5 specific rules shifts you from hoping your email is acceptable to knowing your writing is bulletproof.